I'm intrigued. Bakit nga ba si Andrea Brillantes na napakaraming issues na pinagdadaanan ay mahal na mahal pa rin ng mga netizens? I'm also intrigued. Masasabi ba nating si Andrea Brillantes ay authentic o totoong tao? Brillers, magbibigay muna ako ng mga facts sa inyo about this 20-year-old wonderful celebrity also known as Andrea Brillantes or Blythe. Alam niyo po, si Andrea Brillantes ay 20 years old pa lamang. Ang kanyang tunay na pangalan ay Ramona Andrew Blythe Daggio Gorostiza. Buti na lang pinalitan po yan dahil napakahaba. Si Andrea po, bilang 20 years old, ay nagsimula sa Going Bulilit noong 2010 at ang kanyang first lead role ay ang teleserye na Ana Liza noong 2013. Isa sa mga mas lalong nagpaningning sa kanyang bituin ay ang Kadenang Ginto na teleserye noong 2018. Siya rin ay may sariling cosmetic line, ang tawag ay Lucky Beauty. And then lately, renewed na po ang kontrata niya sa kanyang supporter, if not number one of the biggest supporters, si Glenda de la Cruz, at nag-contract signing na po ulit siya. Renewed for 2 years sa Brilliant Skin. Ito ay last December lang naman po. Idagdag pa po natin ang mga napabalitang boyfriend ni Blythe kasi isa ito sa mga fact na gusto nating i-share. Una, si Seth Fedelin ng PBB. Siya ay isang housemate. Yung pinakahuli po ay si Richie Rivero na isang basketball player. Ngayon, Brillers, pag-usapan natin sa haba ng facts na alam natin tungkol kay Blythe at alam din naman natin yung napakaraming issues na ibinabato sa kanya. Ang tanong ay bakit nga ba mahal pa rin ng mga netizens ang isang Andrea Brillantes? Bibigyan ko po kayo ng 3 dahilan. Unang fact kung bakit mahal ng mga netizens si Blythe is that being a celebrity, we saw her grew up in the industry. I think she started at the age of 7. Nakita natin dahan-dahan ang pagganda ng kanyang karera. And that in itself is very inspiring. And we also can't deny the fact that she is a good artist. In her craft, she's very believable. Lalo na nakakonect, nakarelate ang mga netizen sa kanyang role sa Kadenang Ginto na may pagkamaldita, diba? Mataas, mayabang, pero andun pa rin yung ganda. And that's so believable when she acted on that project. Another thing is, she is also a breadwinner. Kung ikaw ay breadwinner, to think you are only 20 years old, ano po ba ang ginagawa ng mga 20 years old sa panahon ngayon? Probably they're still studying because patapos pa lang sila ng college. Dahil meron na tayong K-12, di ba? So, you're still a student, you're still studying, honing your knowledge. Pero ang pinag-uusapan natin si Blythe, bilang 20 years old pa lang as of the moment, has been a breadwinner for a very long time. And her mother, Belle, is very vocal about her contribution. To think she's also a bunso, youngest in the family, and yet she's a breadwinner. And ito ang pinaka-importanting point that I'd like to share with you na probably one of the main reasons bakit mahal ng netizen si Blythe is that siya ay totoong tao in a way na yung mga fantasies probably ng mga tao, ng mga kababaihan, particularly because she's a woman, paanong nagagawa ni Blythe ang mga bagay na ito na parang tabu, parang immoral tignan sa ibang mga tao? How come she has that guts to be with boyfriends who are way older than her? And kung naaalala nyo po, meron ding lumabas na quote and unquote, kasi hindi naman natin talaga ma-validate yung scandal, di ba? Na si Blythe daw yon when she was 12 years old. But the point is, I think, I'm not generalizing, but regardless if you're a woman or a man, male or female, at some point in your growing, maturing lives, you will definitely consider exploring your physicality. And what's really wrong with that? Nagkataon po na lumabas ang video na private, di ba? And yet, going back to Blythe, kung totoo man yung scandal na yun or hindi, nakikita natin yung kanyang mga boyfriends, and then now she's also showing us another texture of her, and that is, I am still empowered even without boyfriends. Kasi yan yung current na mindset, yan yung status ni Andrea as of the moment. And how come she can do that? She's only 20 years old, babae, iba ang tingin ng mga babae, lalo na ng mga kabataan sa ngayon, di ba? And she's so empowered. She's taking control of herself, her body, her life. That's very notable. Those, for me, those three reasons are probably what netizens are seeing from Blythe. Next one is, let's talk about her authenticity. She knows na siya ay ginagawang punching bag. And then in most cases, parang na-outcast din si Andrea Brillantes or si Blythe dahil nga sa samot-saring mga issues na kinasasangkutan niya. And yung pinaka-last na narinig natin na until now wala pa rin namang confirmation was that siya ang dahilan kung bakit naghiwalay ang sikat na Kathniel Love Team. Totoo man yan or hindi, what Andrea is showing us, tayong nation ng mga Pinoy, ang buong mundo, this is the real Andrea Brillantes. Regardless kung masangkot man siya sa issue or hindi, yung sa pinagdaanan niya lang doon sa kanyang previous boyfriend na si Richie, di ba? Ang dami nating narinig. And yet, here she is, nakatayo pa din. It's as if, may time ba na nakita natin si Andrea na sobbing, nagsisisi, umiiyak, talunan ang itsura? Nakita ba natin yan sa video? Parang, for me, in my case, I haven't seen one. And I always look up to her in a way na she could really carry herself. And that's really important. Again, she's only 20 years old. In terms of her authenticity as a woman, she has a business. She really knows what she wants. And never that you get to hear this lady na she's complaining about a lot of things. In fact, what I like about Blythe is that she's always in her head. Meaning, she knows what to do, how to react on certain things. She knows when it's her battle and when it's not. No wonder she gets through all these issues. Are we expecting more issues in the future? Ako, I can say na yes, knowing na if she is someone who has a very strong personality and who is empowered, babatuhin at babatuhin po iyan. Dahil expected yan sa ating mga Filipino, marami sa atin yung mga bagay na ginagawa ni Blythe hindi natin magawa. And so, there's so much insecurities, hindi lang sa netizens, but sa kanyang mga co-actors. And because of those insecurities, people will just always bash her kung ano-anong itatapon sa kanya na issues. But I could also tell you, with what we are seeing with Blythe as of the moment, for sure, malalampasan at malalampasan niya. So, Brillers, ano po ba ang mensahe tungkol sa pagpapakatotoo ni Andrea Brillantes sa mga pinagdadaanan nitong bata na ito na 20 years old, na breadwinner at ang dami ng mga accomplishments? Ang message for all of us is, we all have to be real. Because kahit ano pang ibato sa'yo, napakalaki man yung bato na yan, na dumaan sa buhay mo, yung pagsubok na dumaan na yan, if you are real, if you are true to yourself, natural, lahat po ng iyan ay malalampasan mo. At sa totoo lang, ako nagpapasalamat ako kay Andrea kasi ang daming mga kababaihan na ini-empower niya with how she carries herself. She is, for me, a modern Filipina. And I like that even Filipinas and Filipinos as a whole are evolving and we are showing more strength. And that is by showing the real you. So Andrea, congratulations and keep being yourself.